Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see there is a menu present at the left side of my screen. Simply go to the bottom left side and select the gear cog icon to access your account settings. Inside settings, go to the payments methods section and all of your available payment methods will be displayed here. In order to remove PayPal Express from here, simply tap on it and its settings will open up. After that, click on the red deactivate button at the right side of your screen and then confirm the action to successfully remove PayPal Express from your Shopify store. So that's basically how you can remove PayPal Express Checkout Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.